In this video, we are going to show you how to assemble the CS-TIDY-41 fully pneumatic grommet machine. Don't assume the factory setting is safe. It may not be appropriate for your use. Make sure you test carefully without any grommets in the die set. Every material and application is unique. While grommets are self-piercing, some material may need pre-pierced holes. The thick plate adds additional safety for using smaller dies and grommets. The thin plate is used for larger grommets and dies. To secure the bottom die, tighten the side screw with a screwdriver. Your dies can wear for repeated use. Use Teflon tape to reinforce your die. Place the air tube into the compression fitting hole. Push down and remove simultaneously. Attaching the foot pedal is made easy by matching the tube to its color-coded socket. These tubes are also compression fitting. The finished screws go in the front and the unfinished screws go in the back. Start by unscrewing the 4 main screws. A wrench may be needed if the screws are too tight. Next, we are showing you how to switch the button for easy left or right hand operation. Remove the button and the tubes connected to it. The tubes are also compression fitting. To switch the tubes to the opposite side, peel off the sticker and pull them through these holes. Move the button to the opposite side and insert the 4 main screws. 2 screws have holes and should be inserted where you wish to place the handle. You may now place your handle to the desired spot and screw it into place using an Allen wrench. The finger guard speed adjusts how fast grommets will be set. This may require trial and error.